So to fix this problem, wipe to the notification bar and now tap on the settings button at below over here, below your profile over here, and you're going to be in the settings app. Now tap on apps and notifications, tap on the see your apps. After that, what you have to do is to tap on the search apps over here to search for Facebook, and as you can see, this is Facebook. You can also scroll to search for Facebook. When you find it, then you just tap on it. So as you can see, this is it. So you tap on it to open it. So tap on the first stop, then you tap on OK. Tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Make sure the background data is still good on. Tap on notification and make sure the show notification is still good on. Make sure every notification is still good on over here. Now go back and tap on storage and cache and tap on the clear cache. Go back, tap on permissions. Then after that, you make sure every permission is allowed. After that, head straight to your phone menu and try to search for Google Play Store. So when you find Google Play Store, just tap on it to open it. Now try to search for Facebook app. When you tap like this, what you have to do is to tap on it, then tap on update over here to update. So after updating it and getting the latest update of Facebook, tap on your power button for some while, tap on restart or reboot. After that, try to restart it. If you don't find restart and reboot, just turn your phone off and turn it on again. It's the same process. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends on other platforms.